That in my people. So back in one of my favorite videos, man, the shoe video. So got these in the mail, so I'm gonna try not to make this too long. Gonna jump into this. I'm 98% sure of what this is. So it says this is from Foot Locker. I know what this is right here. And open that up. Little information. Y'all don't need to know all that. Yes, sir. So, man. Get that up out of here. LeBron 17s, man. And so, this was a gift. If y'all don't know, shit, my birthday is coming up. It is October 28th. Shit. Scorpios in the building. But this come from a fellow shoe tuber, man. JJ All Day 84, man. Me and him real cool, man. Like a brother from another. Shit. Cool dude, man. And shit, man, y'all definitely follow him and stuff. And shit. He had said he was gonna be sending this and shit. I told him, man, look, shit, you could send me a pair of FUBUs, it don't matter. But shit, he wanted to send this. Ooh. These bitches nasty. Ooh. Hey, LeBron 17. This is the first time I've seen them in hand. Like I ain't went to the mall and seen them or nothing. I seen videos of them, but the videos do not do them justice. Whenever the pictures of them first came out, I wasn't crazy about them. I seen the Complex video. They got like Tony from Complex, and he had them on feet, and I was like, ooh, they look nice on feet. Like that Zoom unit, where the Max Air unit, it looks good, man. So on feet, that's when I fell in love with them. But just looking at them more and more, and getting these in hand, man, these are super dope. I love the shape of them and stuff. And they have, I want to see some stuff. They got this flight posit and stuff. I want to see what that's all about. What's the difference between that? And just give you a look of LeBron's. Like I had these on foot today, but these, to me, these remind me more of these. To me, these are a very comfortable shoe, but this being so flimsy, I don't feel a lot of ankle support in them. I wore them one time to hoop. I sprung my ankle, so I ain't never really worn them to hoop again. You ride extra high, like your foot is literally right there. That's where your foot is in the shoe. You are that high. So me being a short person, it give me a little extra inch and a half or something. Feel tall in them. These right here, it's a comfortable shoe. Like at the bottom, it's more rigid, so you feel more stable. But this right here, it cuts into my heel. Like if I don't have long socks on or make certain moves, like it cuts around my ankle in certain parts. So that's the negative of those. But I just wanted to show you those real quick. Like these three models are pretty similar. These remind me of those 15s. Man, but these are super dope. And not necessarily these, but something about like the LeBron like 17s and the 15s. They remind me of a shoe, but nobody never mentioned it. Don't y'all think they have like a little bit of that like Vince Carter shock look to them? Not necessarily these, but like the gray ones, you can kind of see it. In these, you can kind of see that as well. Like y'all don't notice that Vince Carter kind of shock look to them, like the design. But anyways, just want to just see the this feels softer. Yeah, this feels softer than the 15, and the 15 was very soft. But it doesn't feel, but then up here it doesn't feel as flimsy though. Cause up here that feels extra flimsy. Like you feel like you don't have any support. Like up here, it is more rigid. but it's not in a bad way. It's still extra soft, but having the tongue like on the 16s, I guess it give it a little bit more structure and stuff. Man, these are super dope, and they have the zoom unit and the max air. So I think this right here is more of like on the come down. Like you get older as a player and stuff. A lot of people say that. In me personally, I'm in my mid-30s. Like jumping, that's not the problem. Too much. It's the coming down. So I think this right here is more of the come down for LeBron. He getting older, man, as a player. All that pounding. But jumping up, he's a high flyer. So you coming down on your landings. You want to have a soft cushion to land on. You want to protect your knees. So I think that's what this more is for. But just for aesthetic purposes, I think it gives it a more like casual look. It makes it look like that Air Max 720 or 270 or something. It gives it that Air Max type of look. But man, see the little small things, the little designs on the back. On the back, man, I think that is beautiful, especially in person. Shit, the tongue. See that they got the crown. The 23, what else? They got the Lions insignia up here. They got this part right here, that hard flight piece, kind of similar to the 15. They got it going around, but it's more of like a crown. Like you see, it got a crown type look to it. Even the shoe in general has like a crown look to it up here. So that's what that is meant to be, like a crown. And I'm gonna try to test these out today. Like give you just a little small thing. Show you the bottom for the grips and etc. Like it's for I don't know how much grip this would have. I think a clean gym like LeBron gonna be in wood courts, the best pristine gyms in the world. I think you wouldn't have a problem with grip. But like just looking at this, I don't think if you have like a real dusty court or something. But I'm gonna do an on foot and stuff. I want to tell you how this fits, how it feels, and I'm gonna try to bring it to a court like right quick, just to see. And I'm gonna get back at y'all. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about them. And then I'm going to wrap the video up, man. I'll let you.
Trey made the beat.
Alright, my people. So I've been running around with these all afternoon. So I did my little on feats and ran around, tried to ball a little bit. Now I sacrificed for y'all because I hooped yesterday hard. So today is usually my chill day. Shit, my knees was killing me, but I still jumped around for y'all to be able to see how they perform and how they feel and stuff. And as far as the feel, they feel like the 15 on steroids. To me, they fit like a glove. They're comfortable on your feet. It is something, you know how we have our shoes, like certain Jordans and stuff, we wear them loosely or something. I think this is a shoe that's not made for like wearing like loosely, like you know how we do. Like these, you tie them up. The laces on here, it isn't like normal laces. Like these are like military grade laces. Like the laces are like hard, like a strong nylon lace or something. So that's just a certain thing. Another thing, I noticed, hopefully it's coming out on camera, but their tongue is 3M, so I noticed that later on as well. As far as like being a guard or whatever, I felt like the 15 and stuff, it was too high in as far as movement and stuff. These right here, I felt pretty good in these. Like they were, it's like a new shoe, so there's that time to break in or whatever, so they aren't really all the way broke in, but they felt good like it's first time. It's just jumping around, running around in them. As far as the grip, I didn't think that, like you see these crevices and stuff, you see that it doesn't look like it would have the most grip in the world, but they felt more tacky than I would have thought. It's a dope shoe, man. Like the jeans I wore on the on foot, I just want to show y'all like a different look. But I wouldn't wear those jeans with these. Like, I think if you would wear some jeans with these, I would wear like a black jean with these. Maybe y'all would like that other look as well. But I would like shorts and joggers with these. I don't think I would put jeans on with these too much. I think I have a lot of other shoes in the collection I would throw on with some jeans. Can they be worn with jeans? I think so. To me, I don't know, just that the Air unit just gives me that Air Max type feel to it. And whenever I seen them on the complex with Tony and stuff, to me they just look they look great on feet. It's a great on feet shoe. In performance, is definitely a performance monster or whatever. Is it worth the $200 price point? Like, you don't want any shoe to be $200, man. You want to get your stuff cheaper. But as far as like the technological advances and stuff with their flight posit, got the Max Air, the Zoom, you get a lot for this, man. Like the $200 price point is kind of validated. So I would say if you a young hooper or something, you want something that's great. Like if you can afford it, like you can get it. These, I think like maybe the ashes of stuff is gonna drop down in price maybe soon. I think like these and the white ones, like the price is gonna stay like consistent. Like the white ones are pretty high price point right now. They're over retail. These you might can get for retail. The ashes, they probably get those under retail. But I want to see what other colorways they do come out with these and see if they do crazy things like they did. The 16s, they did a lot with the 16s. So I like that with the LeBron watch or whatever. But let me cut this out. Don't want it to be super long. But another shout out to JJ all day, man. Appreciate that, my brother, man. Like, it ain't my birthday yet, but man, I feel like a kid on Christmas morning, man. Very happy with these, because this is something I wanted, but I probably was gonna get them like I probably wouldn't have got them until probably the All-Star break or something. But like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest of the most hated, man. Holla at your boy. Peace out.